How to fix blurry wallpaper on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose. Without further ado, let's get started. First, you need to personalize your wallpaper. Right click on your desktop and select Personalize from the menu. Now in this personalization window, you simply need to select background from the left hand menu. Once it gets open, you simply need to ensure the picture option is selected in the drop-down menu. And now you simply need to click on choose a feed for your desktop image. And now you simply need to select fill or simply you can click on feed to optimize how the wallpaper appears. Next is you simply need to get back from the section. And now you simply need to press Windows key plus X. And now this menu box appear on your screen where you have to select Device Manager. Click to open it. Here you need to locate Display, Adapters and double click to expand. Now right click on your display adapter and now click on Properties. And now click on Driver and update your driver. Click search automatically for drivers and here you can see that the best drivers for your device has been already installed. Once you follow this step, you need to simply cross mark this and close this windows. Now you need to right click on the desktop and now go to display settings. Once it gets open, you will see the scale option. You simply need to change the type or the size of text, apps and other items with the help of the scale. Simply open it and here you can easily select and enter the custom scaling size between 100% to 500%. Let's say for example 125%. And now you need to simply tick mark this option. And after that, you can easily adjust display settings from this section by clicking on apply. And lastly, you need to simply restart your system. After that, you can easily apply the changes and your wallpaper should now appear sharp and clear. In this way, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.